This is your codebook. In this video we are going to discuss about various list methods. These are the few list methods we are going to discuss in this video: append, extend, insert, remove, pop, clear, sort, reverse and count. So what is mean by append method? The append method is used to add a single item on a list. So if you want to add a single item on a list, you can use this append method. The syntax for append method is the list dot index. So the argument, the index takes one argument, that is the item which is going to insert into the list. So look at the example. Append, I have created one list, that is numbers. The values are 10, 2, 7, 4 and 9. So now I am going to append 100 on a list. So the statement is numbers dot append of 100. So when we run this statement, the updated list is the 10, 2, 7, 4, 9 and 100. So item ordered at the last. And next method is the extend. If you want to add 2 or more items on a list, we can go with this extend method. The syntax is list dot extend of items, that is takes the sequence. And the example, so look at the third line, numbers dot extend. So the argument I am going to pass one list. The values are 1, 2, 3. So these list values are added at the end of the original list. So when we run this statement, so the output is like 10, 2, 7, 4, 9 and 1, 2, 3. So the sequence is added at the end of the list. So this is about the extend method. And third one is the insert. So this method is used to insert an item in a specific location. So if you want to insert a item at the specified index, you can use this insert method. Look at the syntax. So list dot insert, it takes 2 argument, one is index, the another one is the item. So here I am going to insert the value 100 at the first index position. So after that one, when we run this statement, we got output 10, 100, 2, 7, 4, 9. So the value 100 is inserted at index 1. Okay, so we know that the index value always start from 0. So 0 is 10 and the first index position, the 100 is inserted. And the next one is remove. So this remove method is used to remove the specified item from a list. If you want to remove any specific item from a list, you can use this method. So the syntax is list dot remove item. So look at here, I am going to remove, in this example I am going to remove the value 7 from the list. So when we run this statement, the new list is 10, 2, 4, 9. So the value 7 is removed from the list. And next one, pop method. So the previous one, using specified value, we are remove the item from the list. and this method we are going to remove the item using index value. So this method is used to remove an item at the specified index. And remember, if you are not given index in the argument, it returns the last item on the list. So the syntax is list.pop item. So pop of 3. So here the output is 10, 2, 7, 9. So the third index value, okay, so third index value is the 4. So 0 is 10, 1 is 2, 2 is 7, and 3 is the value is 4. So the third index value 4 is removed from the list. And another example without index value, here I am writing the code numbers of pop. Okay, so there is no argument is given in pop method. So when we run this statement, so the updated list is 10, 4, 2, 7, 4. So it takes the or it removes the last item from a list. And the next method is clear. So it is used to clear the list. So empty, using this method we can create the empty list. So the syntax is list.clear. So numbers.clear. So when we run this statement, you can find the you can see the empty list. The next one is sort method. So from the name itself we can say this method is used to arrange the items in a ascending order. So syntax is list.sort. So in this example, okay, so look at the numbers. So 10, 2, 7, 4 and 9. So after executing this statement, that is numbers.sort, we can find the list in ascending order 2, 4, 7, 9 and 10. And then the next method is used to reverse the items on a list. The reverse method is used to reverse items on a list. So list.reverse. So the example, so numbers 10, 2, 7, 4 and 9. So numbers dot reverse. So the output for this code is 9, 4, 7, 2, 10. So the values in a list printed in reverse order. And the count method, this method counts how many times a value or an item occurs in a list. List.count. So the numbers 10, 2, 7, 4, 9 and 4. So numbers.count. So when we run this code, you can see the output is 2. So the 2 times the number 4 appears on a list. So the count method is used to find a number of times the particular value appears on a list. So remember, in methods we are accessing all the method, or we are using all the methods using dot operator. So that's all about list methods. So thank you.